This is Jigs Ravers. I say, tight pants, boy! But I want to so now. You don't know. Jigs Ravers and big up Gorilla Chronicles. You don't know. It's a good shot. Tesla. Come on, have the thing locking everything good now. You don't know. Jigs Ravers up and running. Kingston 20. You don't know. We stand for it long time.
Gang, a bad Gorilla BRAMMA, we're there, Gorilla Chronicles, we're up, S-Lot Nights, we're there, all a vibe, you don't know. Virgin from Canada, you don't know, big up a Virgin Core pass through, you see me? Big up Gully Bop, you don't know, pass through the lot. Gorilla Chronicles up, a BRAMMA represent GGO, what?
Hey! Yeah, do it! You know, MG, forward. Now come make them know we are going now. Cause you see we are going from the earth now, I tell you no man a war, don't turn on no back. Cause them a Padlock. Careful. I mean I tell about a little idiot Padlock, I tell about the masters. When that lick you, if you're not dead, head a boss.
Delilah, oh you're so wicked girl.
You never know.
Lock up in a car and I shoot video and I try convince the world.
Boom! This girl looking at Aishana, better than Joe and the one tire. Not me na me head like Bounty Amma.
Come! Hello, KOG. Kalida represent, you don't know, we depend the best black entertainment of S-Lock. You get what I say? Oh. Yeah man, just watch what I go on now. Gorilla Chronicles. Tell you now.
That's it. Watch yourself because they want to see you dead. Two of them are plan up, say they want to bust your head.
Speak up to the friends of what the fears and the enemies. Forever keep a bread and pretending to have the memories. We think that now remember the what they put it down. Everything, give me a way. Well, it's a true, them bad mind, them a try to quick glory. And them never know how back with story when. Remember, all like I say we are brother. Hola! Hit the up that morning. We are hustle like good reality. We work with a previous harlot.
Yeah man, 26 Shell right now, dog. You see me? I don't know about a new project that we do right now, just now. So right now we have to just make more work, success for the line, you get me?
Yeah man, you don't know, Arms House Record, Maurice, you don't know, big up, thanks for the support. JG or Dave, Unplug, Gorilla Chronicles, you know what that?
Gully.
Every artist have 32 teeth, Gully Bop have 1.
Gully, back.
Yeah, them bringing that thing in Jamaica named Mosquito Bop. I kill out the whole of the mosquito them. I don't need no bop, but just yam every one of them bomb.
Yeah.
Yarn pan them and them bomb.
Yeah.
So, when a little artist I go like you want this Gully Bop, I go tell him my life story and he will get afraid of me. See how we my mouth stink. Me spitting a co-past and 25 co-dead, 40 dead. Every fowl in our community sick. So a little ninja man and a little merciless if we spit on them bombs. Straight. Tell some youth. The bomb when they use bomb Michael Jackson body, that's not a bomb yet man. No. Anything we spit on camera. How do them?
Well, this is the warrior that never mash up and can't dead. Representing for the Gorilla Chronicles, you know? We are the real gorilla. Chain Roots and Sarsaparilla. Warhead, never mash up and can't dead. Me done them for less than cornbread. The boy would try for this, me should have been dead. Listen what me I say to you now. Well, the argument me get from Haddy, say me fi murder everybody. Me no fi use no cutlass and chop them up. Me fi bury them lyrically. Gorilla Chronicles is Warhead. Warren from Clarendon. Now friend them.
Yeah, Gorilla Chronicle. I could tell some youth this. We are on the moon. Once a month moon coming in the sky, we are star shine every night. Up. Straight.
Chronicles.
Yeah. Chronicle. When moon gone in, you still as a star. Yeah. Right now I'm going about out on the sun. And when we walk grass and grow back, I said, burn. Yo, anyone with the fire brigade up in the near. It's a bun down. Oh.
No, but then I quote you know. The judge look for me and say, "Dead and touched her. I want to know that so boy.
you're charged for attempt robbery. Your fine is $5,000. I fine you $5,000. How do you plead? I said, thank you, judge. You know, for when I look feet, I say, come to mark the court. I said, no, your honor. I say, come to mark the court. I said, no, your honor. I say, attempt robbery just like real robbery itself. Pay up or you go to jail. I say, all right, may I pay, your honor. I'm going and buckle and work. So I'm what you doing? Mock in the court again. I said, no, your honor. You say attempt robbery just like real robbery itself, so you just attempt to pay, your honor. Attempt to pay.
Gorilla Chronicles, check it out. 6 series now. Mad world, right? Check it. JJ out there. Alright, yo, we did the Big G Paper song down in Duhaney Park. Look out for the new track coming soon. BRAMMA DI GORILLA on the block with the thugs all day, every day. 2016, up like 7, mad thing.
If you're going on music and you can't take critics, you know, I better you're not going there. Yes, you can't. Look at elephant man and go through the thickest. Say boy, I'm a AIDS. You get to me and say, look on that room there. See me? No sense of humor there. And guess what now? I'm gonna be like off myself. I'm not gonna say cocky off myself because I'm not cocky myself. I'm gonna be off myself. Brother, go a studio, ask few engineers work with Khalid, then can tell you who voice the fastest, make song the fastest. See? And yet still check my lyrical poise as in the parable and thoughts, because my thing deep, you know. You know why enough people catch on to my thing more time? Because they dunce. My thing dep on a different level. Brain, the deepness, and the rhyme and the thoughts. So when me hear someone I come talk about the right song or give me or Ray, no dog, your song can't suit my pursuit. Get what Plus, anyhow, you sing a song with a high note, me stop DJ. Me just, your style can't change. You have to always try go like Cartel or you try go like Idonia. See? Because you're a pirate, you know. You say, Idonia say 4th Jenna. No, you say a young Jenna. Come on, create something for yourself, dog. See? With him they say, me I lay one song for you, me swear a Vibes Cartel how long me I listen to a Vibes Cartel. Then a man go say you, me can't believe this. Me say, I lie.
Paparazzi, big up yourself to the fullest. JJ or the paparazzi, what go on?
You don't know a CD mission with the pan, you know. I play my big concert, you know, with paparazzi there. Live in concert, alright. You know, joke thing, a live thing. Alright, no anything low that road.
Work with it, y'all. Work with it. Come over some gorilla, me hurting it. Low line, tell me say she running it when me call up your number. I'ma answer you. Hello? Miss bad up she name. What? Bad up she name. What? Bad up she name. You check on the road she does not like plain one.
Yeah, trust me, so look up for the new song, the new mix, the new hit. We're about to make their head spins out here, you know? We're out in Duhaney Park right now, just kicking it live, Gorilla, slockentertainment. I'm with the homeboy White God, you know what I'm saying? We're with the ladies. We just do it, you know?
Gorilla Chronicles, watch this, because I know me a real youth, you know. Watch this, it's Merciless, enter me a youth. My first clash with me, see, you know, I'm Merciless and Bounty Killer. And even the night when me stand up in a jam roll and see that clash, there's a little youth. And them thing they make me stay and I say, you know, say an artist thing, and me they always want to clash. That's my thing, you see me? So big up Merciless, because you don't know, me just post on Instagram a while ago to Real Gorilla, because you know we have to go free promo, you see me? Real Gorilla, Warren Dan from Clarendon, you see me? We just posted a while ago, big up the whole of the end of them, we have do this before, me, BRAMMA Gorilla, you see me? When you don't know a mad ratings and mad respect, you don't know, put the respect where it's Joe.
But right now, the Padlock, they think I'm going to get flat, but they make me get hot. Yeah. I'm not telling a lie. From now on, Gully Bop love Padlock. And right now, I live with my girlfriend, and I'm my new girl. She's my hot girl, and you notice I'm sitting on the glass table from the other day. I see she put a Padlock on it.
I don't think that, man.
Man, I wake up and I put a Padlock, the axe her. I try to use my phone to take the picture, but my phone not take no picture. Here we go on. Not waiting to go up tonight. I take up a padlock there and hide it. And the padlock are nearly big like the one that she used, you know. I see them brands thing them and they look tough. So I want on a man. No war do man on the key a shake. Look good padlock the near. Oh.
Franco. Crucial. JJOD. Esla. Good things come to those who wait on a move mountains to fail on earth. I try get mad before it too late. I don't care who man mine or who in. Get to you, just watch every move you make. Hurt your back like a toothpick. We know the deal. We'll recognize real, but we recognize some of them are real fake. And me say, Jah, him a guide me, him a guide me. Every day him a walk beside me. When darkness is over, him a cover and hide me. No one else come out above the Almighty.
I don't know. We have a great unplug experience, you know. We get a good reaction from the crowd. And I don't know, me just go do me thing, crucial style, I don't know. Big up BRAMMA DI GORILLA, big up Shadow Boss. They don't know the thing, but big up everybody. You come show them support, they don't know the thing. JJOD, crucial, sure shot.
You, Gorilla Chronicles, tell them, Gully Bop, Toronto, we're ready. The world, yo.
Chin. How yourself, my girl? You can't go on back to China still.
More money.
No disrespect, you know. I have a plan for you, my girl. I want me go and live easy. On the hill, I drive a big pretty car, but you don't need that. You need to do the still a cook on coal stove. Yo, you want to go back in your greater life. You have your greater corner every minute you have flash a finger. My girl, sweet life out there for you, my girl, not look too bad, you know. That's when you're going to pop war, you're hot. Yeah. But you decide to go on like you want me to get flop. Come knock me with padlock. Yo. Right now the people will call me Padlock Bop. Otherwise short it and just say Padlock. So here we are going on now. Yeah, some man get a stop with a padlock and afraid for company media come talk to and get a knock out a padlock. They lock up in a car, they put murder. I mean, I'm not gun, no knife, no stone. How stupid you are. Yo. Right now, no disrespect, but your life over like days of my life. She would have stopped on TV. Right now, Gully Bop hot. I mean, this no woman. But right now, your career outdated like $250,000 bus. It's not driving to Jamaica again, some old Encarver we park up in a Broomfield place. That thing scrap metal I take them. So here we are going right now. Anybody want to try done Gully Bop career, I done themselves. Right now, Gully Bop coming like a sticker butter in a freezer. It's tough. Right now, my girl, you come like a sticker butter in the sun. Melt. Come like fudge when it now sell and so not. Trust me, you spoil it like a career. All the little niggas that were around over there, in them hype, Gully Bop aspire them. Every minute they go on a Burger King, yeah, them they want one singer. Every minute they go on a KFC, they want a meal deal. Right now, if you don't want to get a real deal, you don't get no real deal, because nothing not go on phone. No career out. You do one tune and claim to your boss. I'm telling my girl, one tune can't bust people, man. But you come put about the tune, but one talk I mean I left Gully Bop, I will flop. You think I mean me say so. And you say you not left Gully Bop. And right now, I know you left Gully Bop. Gully Bop left you. Alright now I mean I Gully me never see you. Bye.
Jah only call upon the singers and the player of instruments. God no call upon DJ. So, true God no call upon DJ, I start sing too. Then, and learn melodies. Check the real logic side. Them say Jah call upon the singers and the player of instrument for music. They don't be no DJ matter. Peter Tosh, it's a back in ideas. Peter Tosh say DJ stand for Junkin Jackass. But Me and the Rasta always, me and the Rasta me had always a cuss and me say nobody mean development in Jamaica. You get what I say?
Yo, don't know a linguist to save that. How you tell them saying you live on the gorilla ends? Me fast just swing on your dinner. You a chicken bum and no real gorilla. You telling you a gorilla chronicles, you see me? Yes, sir. That we are in for. Mad thing.
Yo, what's good? This is Spooks representing out of Edmonton, Canada. I'm representing bigging up the thing, BRAMMA Gorilla Chronicles. Look out for it. Slockentertainment. Look out for it. We're coming soon.
Yeah, man, I'm here to see the thing up like a sax, you know, you see me? Big up Gorilla Chronicles, you see it? Gorilla J, Gorilla God, BRAMMA, you don't know the thing go. Bad and done, you know. Big up Panther Son, you don't know. In there, Unplugged. How was the show? What do you think about the new song then, 2016? What go on? New song then, Tank Up, you know. Tank Up. That him a run with Chronicles, Tank Up. Big up Panther Son, JGOD, Unplugged, Shell Down.
Watch your face.
No, it's about everything. So wait I can face the world. Sing I can do anything. So me go so, when I'm a child, when I see you for your wife. Now that's my book, you have my blushing and a smile. Baby, you look so beautiful. So I want me darling, I hope you were fine. Come on, and it's been a while now. I seen you girl child. Yeah.
You see the music them when me are here, them promising. 2016, me not tell a lie. BRAMMA, Gorilla, me not tell a lie. When me are here tonight, trust me, it's a different BRAMMA than when me are here 2007. I swear. Because remember, I watch BRAMMA grow in a music. See, in my youth. And me first put him CD man to table and say, people, the youth here, BRAMMA. Until today, find me and say, Jixie, I feel reach, I'm unplugged. I'm say, no problem.
So what do you think about the performance?
No, the performance was great. See, I'm going to watch it on the YouTube and tune into Instagram.
Look, I'm on the mirror, my man. Hey, listen me. No boy can't call me monkey man, come across and killer. Who don't know about it and be a thing and talk and them can't come to man. Be a bad gorilla, you see monkey dan. Watch ya. Build my voice, I'm gonna take a little break. Come back, new image, I'm gonna shed a little weight. I be a thing and talk, them a put pan me, them some rasta banga down and beans that can't be. Watch ya. Yeah man, it was pandemonious. Yeah man, I be a bomb in a job, so you don't know BRAMMA drop some hits and me gon' drop my one hit. You don't know me mean. Proactive, really active, so now I look out for it. Bomb trust the OG from Stone Hill, you know what I mean? And it was a good look. Again and again and again. We drop bomb on them, you know what I mean? Up.
Yeah man, they don't know it's a blessing to be here. I was elated by BRAMMA's performance at the Unplugged. They don't know Chino, Crucial, Sure Shot, Bomb Frost, the OG. You see me, I said them lucky and it was a good event. I was happy to be here and I was elated as I said again. Don't know, big up yourself from the Gorilla, Slockentertainment, Reality Inc., Bomb Frost, bomb them loud and proud. Shot these, lock them out.
I'm going to tell you, Gorilla Link.
Yes, Rasta.
I want to talk about gorilla, we're not talking about the gorilla living in the jungle, we're ugly. We're talking about the real gorilla.
What that?
If you disrespect, we crab off your face.
Back, say that. You know what that Chronicles, him not have to say not no more. Oh, I'm killed. Hey!
Look out, look to your right.
Cut! Yo, good people thing. Nice corporate GGOD, Gorilla Gang. Good, yeah, good youths. Bad Gorilla BRAMMA, they are all a vibe. I saw it go S-Lot nights, you know it go.